Hi, it's Nick Aster with TriplePundit.com. I'm here at the 2013 Sustainable Brands Conference in San Diego, California. I'm here with David Wilkerson. He is the Corporate Director of Sustainability at Shaw Industries. And we had a couple weeks ago a good conversation with your colleague Paul Murray at Shaw. So we've learned a little bit about the basics of sustainability at the company. But I'd love to know a little bit more about the details of your Cradle-to-Cradle partnership. That's something that we've been talking about. We talked to Bridget Leusler yesterday, as a matter of fact. How's it happening?
Well, it's going great. It has really been a process for us that dates back to the late 90s.
Mm-hmm.
We originally began to embrace the fundamentals of cradle-to-cradle product design and manufacturing. Again, in the late 90s, we introduced our first cradle-to-cradle product in 1999. It was our EcoWorks carpet tile,
Mm-hmm.
which has been extremely successful. And one of the big differences was that product eliminated PVC and phthalates that routinely had been used in carpet tile backing
Mm-hmm.
processes. So we were able to entrench that product in the marketplace. In 2007. The certification program began with cradle-to-cradle, and so we went from basically embracing the fundamentals of cradle-to-cradle to actually earning certification
Mm-hmm.
for products. Since that time, we have expanded our certification program. Today, on the commercial side of our business, about 92% of what we sell is cradle-to-cradle certified at the silver level. Corporately, over 60% of our products that we sell are cradle-to-cradle silver certified.
Mm-hmm.
That would translate to roughly $2.5 billion in sales for the company. So it's very substantial.
Mm-hmm. This is huge. So you were very proactive on this before the certification even existed.
Yes.
Tell us, what does the silver level actually mean? I mean, you know, obviously we want to be hypothetically platinum or whatever, but tell us where that is and where you're headed to get it to that hypothetical perfect product.
Well, silver is definitely a stretch from the standpoint of the products going through a very detailed assessment. Virtually all of the raw materials have to go through basically a safety and health certification or assessment process that ultimately verifies that there are no harmful ingredients that could, again, harm humans or the environment associated with the manufacture of the product. There's also a very deep dive into the energy efficiency of your operations, the water use, and even your commitment to social responsibility. So all of those things, to achieve silver, you have to really be committed. Gold and ultimately platinum are certainly ideally they're aspirational, and we are on that path towards that. But again, at this stage of the game, we were the first and I think the only carpet manufacturer to achieve silver certification, certainly in North America. And we continue to look down the road and work on tweaks that we can make that will allow us to achieve higher levels of certification.
Well, we look forward to following your progress. And
Well, thank you.
David, thanks for your time.
Thank you, Nick. Enjoy.